Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where it's a predominantly sunny and warm day for much of South Africa, except in the west where cloudy and cool weather has settled in, and that forms ahead of a cold front which will arrive overnight. On our satellite, you'll see fine and dry weather for the majority of South Africa, with lots of sunshine and blue skies overhead, but with a thick band of low cloud moving in from the west, and that's ahead of the cold front, which will start to bring in a bit of evening rainfall later on in the day. We're expecting a sunny and dry day for the majority of South Africa on Thursday, with mild to warm maximum temperatures. We're expecting windy conditions over the central and southeastern interior, with fresh winds in the forecast, and cloudy and cool weather is settled in the west ahead of that cold front. We're expecting windy conditions along the southwestern coastline, as well as a bit of evening light rainfall. On our wind map, you'll see a strong wind in Cape Town with fresh northeasterly winds along the east coast, and we're expecting fresh northwesterly winds over the central and southeastern interior. With that dry and windy weather, the South African Weather Service have issued a high fire danger warning, and with the possibility of runaway fires within the shade of red. They've also issued a watch for gale force winds along the coast between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas, and that's mainly from this afternoon. You'll see a predominantly dry day across South Africa, other than the possibility of rainfall in the southwest. We're expecting a 40% chance of rainfall along that southwestern coastline, as well as for the adjacent lying interior, and that's this evening ahead of the cold front. The cloud keeps temperatures cool in Cape Town at 17 degrees, warm for George at 24. We stick in the mid-20s as we head towards Bishu, with a hot day for KwaZulu-Natal and a maximum of around 30, 27 for Bombela and Kimberley, with a mild forecast for Gauteng, where maximum temperatures peak in the low 20s. It's a cloudy Thursday for Cape Town with a maximum temperature of only 17 degrees. We're expecting those wind speeds to pick up into the afternoon, with a northwesterly wind of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Light rain is forecast into this evening. In fact, we're expecting up to a 60% chance of rainfall as that cold front moves in overnight, with a minimum temperature of 12 degrees, and we'll see gusts of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Rain continues for Cape Town all the way through to Friday morning. We'll see most of the rainfall in the first part of the day, with that chance of rain spreading through to George and Port Elizabeth later on Friday. We'll see warm weather ahead of that front, with another hot forecast for KwaZulu-Natal. 29 as we head towards Bombela, with a dry forecast across the interior. We'll see that dry and sunny weather continuing across the interior all the way through to Saturday, with a warm afternoon. A slightly cooler day is expected for KwaZulu-Natal, with some drizzle along the eastern Cape coastline, and rain still remains in the forecast over parts of the Western Cape. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.